एक दोस्त ज़रूरी होता है। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल ज़रूरी होता है। ये दोस्त चीज़ ही ऐसी हैं जो ज़रूरी होते हैं हमारे गम में, हमारी खुशियों में, साथ घूमने फिरने के लिए, एंटरटेनमेंट में। और हाँ, एक दोस्त बहुत ज़रूरी होता है जिम में भी। ये दोस्त ही हैं हु कैन एनकरेज अस, इंस्पायर अस, मोटिवेट अस, और कुछ नहीं तो दो ताने मार के they'll make sure that we achieve our fitness goals. Having one such friend can really help us achieve our fitness goals. So either have a friend like that or be somebody's such friend. Today's episode is all about fitness, different workout patterns, nutrition, and everything about wellness and a healthy lifestyle. I have 3 guests with me who are from very different backgrounds. Renu Vij, Zonal Head and Senior Vice President at HDFC Bank. Girish Jaggi, Managing Director, VIPL. Sonia Puruthi, she owns Nail Ashes Studios in Gurgaon and she's a socialite. They all have one common passion though, maintaining a healthy and very active lifestyle every single day of their life. Hi, I'm Shruti Dang and welcome to Homely Affairs. These are my fitness buddies, my gym buddies, and they all inspire me, motivate me every single day. Though not that I am in the gym every day with you guys, but they are in the gym every day or running somewhere, are doing some sort of exercise at their home or wherever they're traveling. So let's start today. Sonia, let me start with you. How does this journey of fitness started for you?
So let me tell you very frankly, till the time I was in school, college, I used to run away from my sports period, taking a round of two rounds of a lawn or something just before the sports period was a big task. So, but I used to love dancing. So when my college...
You still do?
I still do, yes. So that's my first love. So when the college ended, so I thought ki I'll join some dance classes. I joined Shamak Davar. So there we used to practice for long hours and I felt that I am lacking the energy and the stamina. So I thought maybe, to build up my energy and stamina, I started going to gym very reluctantly, I must admit that.
Okay.
But then slowly and steadily I got just hooked on. And since that time onwards till today, my love for gym. I've built up stamina, I've built up strength, and I've achieved a lot of friends from there, and most importantly, I've got my husband also. I met my husband in gym, so gym has been a complete part of my life.
Oh wow, that's an interesting story. So you guys were like in the gym, never met before?
We were in the same college, same year, but somehow we have never met in the college.
Okay.
So when he saw me in the gym, he could place me, that he has seen me in the college. So we started talking and then we became friends and then eventually we...
So romance happened in the gym?
In the gym. Very much in the gym.
I can imagine what were you doing in the gym? Hardly working out.
No, I was working out. Actually, I was working out, but you should ask Nikhil what he was doing. Because the moment he got married to me, he left gym.
Now we hardly see him in the gym.
Yes, he was teasing me because he was not doing his gyms or workout. I was asking him, you should get back to gym. He was like, dekh le, pehli bari tu mili thi, ab kahin koi aur na mil jaye.
How did it start for you, Girish?
So I, since my teens or maybe when I was young, I was maybe in 5th, 6th class, I used to like running. So, and then gradually, I used to run but not quite a lot. And then gradually with work, my weight increased. I went down up to around 105 kg.
I can't imagine you like that.
Yeah. And thankfully, I got into the habit of this. And I was doing Airtel. There was an Airtel run which was not the half marathon thing. It was the 5 kilometers. The Love Delhi Love, I think, so something like that.
Okay.
And I participated in that. And after that, there was no looking back. I was so fascinated by the event and the run. I did my 21. I remember when I did 2 kilometers of my running for the first time, I was like, this needs to be done 10 times to do a 21.
Wow.
So I persisted. I did my 21. I did 42 then. So I've done half marathons, and then ultras as well.
Wow.
And I just love it now.
How many marathon you would have run by now?
Maybe around 8-10 marathons and 50 odd half marathons.
And which one is the most memorable one for you?
Marathon, the one which I got my PB, that was good. But then last year I went to Berlin for my first international marathon. That was like lovely, and I just gave 6 months to it
Wow.
with amazing diet, like no cheatings, nothing. And my wife was at the finish line with a packet of biscuit.
Oh, wow.
That's what I crave like anything. That's what I crave like anything, and I left it for 6 months. So she was there with a packet of biscuit, and I had a beer, and that was just amazing.
So you have to earn your biscuit
You
also,
have to,
right?
you have to. If you need to make your biscuits,
Yes.
you need to earn your
That's a good line, really. And here I have the lady Milkha Singh, I call her. How this started for you?
So I was a badminton player in my school. Till 11th, 12th I was playing, but then after college and job I just had quit the exercises and all. But once the baby was born, I found myself, I was not that plumpy, but yes, I found myself very lethargic most of the time. So in one of our, condos, there was a group started with Run for Fun. So there we started running, and then initially I would realize that even 100 meters was a very tough task for me. So I used to pant after every 100 meters. From there, then we built up the momentum and we built up our stamina. And then first marathon I did it in 2014. And that time I was not really great runner, and I realized that I really need to build up my stamina, because I could really, it was tough for me to finish that, but yes, I could manage it, and from there there was not looking back after that.
Is marathon like an addiction?
That is an addiction.
Running is like an addiction.
I
It's not
find
about
it,
marathon,
it is about, it's a your me time.
Yeah.
And at that time, I hardly see anything, and most of the time, I meditate when I run. So it is meditation for most of the people, because endurance doesn't come just when you have a flickery mind and you have a lot of thoughts coming into your mind. When endurance comes, when you have a simple focus, so that focus and that meditation comes through your running. And now, of course, I started running, and after that, I have been running. Every year, I do one marathon. So it's almost 10 half marathons, though I am not like Jaggi that he has completed so many marathons.
You
But
just have to do a half marathon twice.
Yeah. It's all
so
in
I do
mind.
every year. So I do every year half marathon, but yes, I work on my strength now, because I realize that only running is not going to help me, because after 40 you start losing your muscle weight if you only run.
But
So
you have 22 years.
yeah, 22 years.
I stopped aging after 40. I counted backwards.
By the way, Jaggi is the king of one-liners. And you have to show it to my audience today. Jaggi. Yeah.
So yes, so now I do in a week like 2 days running, and then I do strength building, and then I muscle training. So it's a mix of a thing.
In fact, this was my next question to you. Like, you stick to one routine or you keep mixing
No,
up?
I keep mixing. Because first of all, I get bored very fast. That's the biggest challenge in me. Means I want a new thing every day. So
Yeah, I know her husband.
I know. He has to change, after every few months, he has to get into a new
Someday
avatar.
with a mustache, someday with a beard.
only there.
No, I share this thing with you for sure, so I understand. And my husband also said the same thing, that how much I have to innovate every single day to keep in your interest. Yeah. So, yeah.
So that's how it is.
And given your busy routine, Renu, I know that you travel a lot. So how do you keep up with fitness once you're traveling or you're at work?
Into my corporate life, I have to travel sometimes thrice in a week or at least twice in a week. So for sure, I travel. So I always carry my gym gears. I always carry my sports shoes, my gym wear dress. So that if I don't get, anyways, all the hotels have the gym. So every day in the morning I hit the gym because the first day your positive starts happen when you do your workout. The energy levels are much different because after that you have a very hectic jam-packed schedule, but you don't never get tired because of the one positive start of the day. So I always carry my gym wear whenever I go.
Very complete.
Very complete,
One
yeah.
big task.
And then while we are traveling, you have food is the biggest challenge because you have to sometimes eat what you really don't want to eat, but you're hungry. Sometimes you have to compromise on food.
Yeah.
So then it is very important to have at least your morning workout.
Yeah.
So that I ensure that I do it.
That's very good. So Sonia, what is like a weekly workout routine for you? How do you also keep changing it, or you have a fixed pattern of doing things? How do you manage?
I am into weight training, so I make sure that I do my body parts. So once I'm through, and along with my body parts, I love doing core. So this is the one of the best things that I like doing, core. And along with it, I've started doing HIIT. I really like, I'm not so much into a typical running on a tread or doing a cross trainer. I get bored very easily.
Okay.
So I need some different patterns for my cardio. So we do HIIT. So we make groups, I do it with Renu sometimes.
And the
in
Sunday
the
class don't.
and
Sunday
class don't
reels
fall into
also,
my
Sunday,
criteria
yeah.
because Saturday night when you party, then Jaggi keeps the class on
motivates
Sunday.
us, yeah.
I pulled you out of your homes.
Sunday, but that's the
Out of
wrong
our
day.
community,
That's
yes.
the wrong day.
Tell me more about that, Girish. We need to tell the
So
story.
thankfully we started. It's not been long, around 2 months. We're just looking at something for Sunday. Our
Yeah.
gym, we have classes in our gym.
Yeah.
We all are enrolled in that. So on Sundays there was a holiday.
Okay.
And Sunday is one day where you can give out everything what you have.
Yeah.
And you can cheat on your meals as well.
Yeah.
So me and myself and a few of you, we decided that Sundays we should do something.
Yeah.
So it was a Tabata, and I nicknamed it as Tabar Tod. So it was a Tabar Tod Tabata, HIIT class for 1 hour. We burn around
500 calories, yeah.
In around 45 minutes.
And the best part, I'll cut in. He keeps
You don't
pulling
cut.
people from gym. Come, go to the gym. And one day, what happened? There was a heavy rain happening, and we thought of running. And then he called some people. No, you have to run with us. So 3 of us were running, and picture there was no one. Everyone ran away. No one was there. That was the funniest thing. When Girish, what happened? You brought so many people. All of them
So
are
this
vanished.
happened in the class also. New class में आगे हमने खड़ा कर दिया and he pulled few people from the gym which were they were standing at the last line
Yeah,
and
yeah.
when we turned back
There
they
was
were
no one.
gone.
Yeah, you are
Yeah.
active and you can inspire people really, yeah?
Maybe I like to put
Because I
people
know
into
why. Because you
workouts.
also make workout as fun also.
Fun.
I mean, we in the end we'll dance, we'll take pictures, and we'll do some crazy
And
stuff which
one
will
should
make it fun.
feel like doing it
Yeah.
and coming to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I feel is, what I personally feel about fitness. Fitness is like you need to have a lot of discipline.
Yeah.
You have to have discipline. With running, if you say like Renu and Sonia said that they get bored, you even if you get bored, you can't leave it. So for me, the best thing is I register for an event,
Okay.
maybe for a full marathon or a half marathon. I have a plan and I stick to my plan. Whatever happens, I don't leave it. So I might get bored because of running every day, 5 days a week or whatever. But then you have to stick to it. You cannot let it go. So perseverance is
Perseverance is the
most important, and you need to be consistent.
Yeah. True.
So
Absolutely.
waking up is a problem even
Yeah.
in summers, even in winters. And when you know that your better half is sleeping,
Yes.
and she's not going to wake up till the time you
Till the
come
time
back.
you
come back.
So
Yeah.
certainly it needs a lot of courage. But I think it's only getting out of the bed,
Yeah.
brushing your
Once
teeth.
yeah.
Once you brush your teeth, everything is gone. And one important thing is delayed gratification. What you get, you can feel happy that time, but just keep on sleeping. But the whole day you will feel sad.
Yeah.
Or you can
Grumpy.
just get out of your bed go out for whatever you are feeling like,
Yeah.
come back, and the whole day you are happy. So that delayed gratitude is the most important.
Yeah.
So
True.
don't be happy with what you get instantaneously.
Hmm.
Be happy with what is going to be there for a long time.
Yeah. True.
That's what
Absolutely.
I
Satyavachan.
Certainly.
But what I was telling you that, even if like say we buy a house in a condo where, okay, we cannot check that before that, okay, people are healthy or not, people go to gym or not, they're inspiring or not. But then once you are there, anybody who is into fitness can create a culture.
See,
They
listen
can
to
take
me.
the responsibility.
If you are into fitness
Yeah.
and you are not an introvert,
Yeah.
then you will get friends.
Friends,
Yeah. Yeah.
You will get
You'll
friends.
be
We
addicted.
had last year only, we had, organized one running event, you know
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
It was such a super hit.
Super
People-
hit, yeah.
So
And-
many people
from
turned
all
up.
age groups.
Everyone
So many
knows
people
who
turned
came
up.
first in it. And believe me, I was running with Renu was there also. As she was just saying that I run, I meditate. But there is one more thing she does while she's running. She's on the phone.
I had to organize that event.
So
Yeah.
that's
No,
what-
she was the
that's what-
organizer
she
of
was
the
the
event.
I've seen her. See, being a woman and being she is a lot of social works as well and everything. She was on the call. Even in gyms, I see that she's worried her son has gone for the tuition or not. So such things
And
happen.
100 calls
Yeah.
from office. Yeah.
I don't know, but I don't eavesdrop. But I know that calls keep coming.
Yeah.
I know that when I came to this condo and Sonia was my first friend here, and I was also like a very lazy bum at that time. But like she would send a message and she would say कि please come to gym. पहले please से आया, फिर come to gym. And तू आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? तो like this is how she has made me also like अभी भी it's not there. I'm reaching there.
See, I think,
Then yeah.
I think every one of us gets inspired by someone.
Yeah, you need to
There
have
is
that one person
there
in
is
your life.
Someone who inspires you.
Yeah.
But then it is up to you.
Yeah.
Like you cannot just depend on him
Yeah.
or that inspiration every day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Then
After
you
that,
need
it
to be
becomes
your
a
own
habit.
inspiration.
Yeah. So now,
And we all, I believe, we all are our own inspirations.
yeah, true.
It becomes
Absolutely.
now I think it's our habit.
And
it cannot go
gym
the
has
same.
not only given me my fitness and my husband, it has also given me lot of friends. I मतलब lot of good friends are from gym only.
Actually, एक time के बाद ना you
don't go
get
clubbing, no?
No, I do. Then we do clubbing also
So
with
we
those
party hard.
friends.
So she
we have
may-
got the
she-
stamina to dance.
She manages to find out, okay, ये party भी करती है और gym भी करती है.
yeah.
She will make
The
friends like
perfect
that.
balance.
Perfect balance.
ये dance भी कर लेगी,
Party
ये
में
party
gym
भी
और
कर
gym में
लेगी.
party कर लेते हैं.
but what I'm saying is कि एक ना time के बाद you have a tendency to get attracted towards people who are into fitness or who are fit.
Yes.
ये एक वो भी एक unsaid thing है. It's a
No, I tell you why.
It is a known fact. You will make friends as you are.
as you
Yes.
are. Yeah.
As simple as
You
that.
know, and the reason maybe you can't, the energy levels, what you have, you will not find people other than, those who are into
Somehow
fitness stuff.
they
The
don't
energy
match
level-
up to
yeah.
your standard. कि
Not standards.
standard of fitness. I'm saying. This is going to be a controversial
That
content.
is controversial.
This is poo.
I'm
Yeah.
just trying to be honest.
Yeah, you see somebody
Just
into
trying to be
fitness
myself.
level, oh, two. And
So वो
also,
डांस नहीं कर पाएंगे ना ज़्यादा देर मेरे साथ. I
हाँ.
feel.
Moving to the next subject, Girish, with you, fitness and nutrition go hands in hand. So, what is your approach to nutrition and eating healthy?
So I think what all you feel like eating, like what I feel like, as I said, biscuits on the finish line of a marathon. So I think eating is, I would say, 70% eating and 30% exercise. I would say so.
Yeah.
So if you want to get fit, the easier way then it's eating. What you put in your mouth is affecting you the most because it's directly going inside. So what I think is, and what I've seen with myself is that you need to restrain from things. You have to have a balanced diet. Homemade food is the best, and I think certainly we have a lot of carbs in our food. Indian food is full of carbs, so you need to cut down on carbs, have more of proteins as you are working out. And
Are you very particular about your diet and patterns of eating?
as I said, I don't get bored.
Okay.
I don't get bored.
Okay.
So, as I was telling you the other day, that my breakfast is fixed. My maid, she knows what is my breakfast. She doesn't need to ask me. I don't need to tell her. Just that put on my breakfast, and that's like 3-4 eggs, 3 whites and 1 full egg. Any, like, it has to be an omelette. That's all, and or a scrambled, and a protein shake with some blueberries and a banana. That's all for breakfast, and that is it. 1 chapati and sabji and dal in the evening, in the lunch, and then evening something like similar. I have a tendency to eat some peanuts or anything like that. I restrain myself, but this is one area, especially bakeries. I just love baked items and baked cakes and everything, and they are like not good at all.
That's okay.
You need-
Sometimes you can cheat yourself.
Sometimes comes every day.
Yeah.
That's okay. You work out also
Okay,
every day.
we work out every day, then it's okay.
Like
to
seriously,
indulge
you
here
don't
and
get a
there.
license to do all this.
I know,
even if you
but
work
then ठीक है, if it makes you happy, a bit of
out. It makes me very happy.
yes.
But as I said, delayed gratification.
But what is your view on this, Sonia? I mean, how particular you are about food and food patterns, especially?
I am very particular, but unlike him, I get bored of
Okay.
eating the same thing.
Is it more of a girl's thing that they get bored
Ah,
easily
I
I
about
think
something?
so. I think
Yeah.
so. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I need to innovate. So I
Okay.
keep on seeing those Insta reels of healthy food, healthy
Yeah.
breakfast, and I keep on sending those to my cook.
Ah.
And then I ask her to make those things.
Okay.
So we try to make a little bit of innovative things every day for breakfast. Lunch is typical. We one multigrain chapati or rice with dal, sabzi and curd. And then at night I take most 3 or 4 times a week I take grilled chicken at night with a bowl of soup and some sauté vegetables. And once a week I cheat.
What is
Only
it?
once?
Once.
You sure?
Off late I've
And
become a
we are
little
talking of food.
Huh?
Yeah, exactly.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is the cheat meal?
Cheat meal, I can have a pizza, pasta, or you're going out and eating whatever is served to you.
So for me, a cheat meal is an almond prozo, which I have it at Blue Tukai.
Okay.
And not to cheat too much, I
Okay.
divide it into 3. One is Neetu, one is Chavi, one is me, because Kushi is in the hostel.
Oh.
So that's what is my cheat.
So
But
I
even the cheat
I don't
meal-
have a,
even the
even the
cheat-
cheat meal is not cheat.
Even the cheat meal is disciplined.
Yeah. So I don't have a sweet tooth that much. So I save on that thing, but I like savory things. So
Let me ask somebody who has a sweet tooth.
Yeah, so but they talk about, as he's been mentioning, that I also take care of my diet in terms of I ensure that I eat protein because I am anyways vegetarian. So for vegetarian it is more important to look at the diet. So every day in the morning I have my any kind of different meals. I don't try same kind of a breakfast. I have always a different kind of breakfast. Sometimes dal chila, sometimes poha and all.
It has to be
It has to be, yes. So with
Yes.
that I ensure that we eat sprout. So it's a habit in our house. Me and my husband, we ensure that every day one bowl of sprout we both have.
Okay.
Come what may, whatever you may eat, but yes. And I don't eat grain much. In the lunch, I only eat vegetable. I don't eat chapati. I skip that. We try to even take 2 meals in a day instead of 3.
Okay.
We try to do that, but yes, in the evening, and then it gets
it gets all.
but
Of late, I have started. I was telling you yesterday. I have
Yeah.
started since a few weeks a single day of fast in
Complete fast.
in a week. Yeah, and that's really helpful. If you can, it's a bit tough. It's a bit tough, but not very tough.
Okay.
But can have it. It's like just like black coffee. Just black coffee. I don't do much to detoxify. That's like really working. So it's around a 33-34 hours.
So
fast.
every week, one day, fixed day.
One day. It has
you
been
don't eat
tried.
anything?
Huh?
You don't eat anything?
I don't eat anything. Just black coffee or maybe fresh lime salted. No calorific. So it gives full rest to your
Not even fruits.
digestive. Nothing. No, nothing. And it's really joyful.
You're on water diet basically that day.
Sonia, let me ask you the most asked question. How do we get rid of the Indian, especially Indian bodies, how do we get rid of the belly fat post-pregnancy?
So I gained around 20 kgs. in my pregnancy, and I had delivered, and after I think few weeks I was just walking in my colony, and I met a female standing at some distance. So when I just got closer to her, she was surprised to see me, and she said कि oh आपकी डिलीवरी कब है? And I said कि मेरी तो हो गई डिलीवरी. So that was a ringing bell in my head. What the hell, मतलब she just looked at my belly and she said कि आपकी डिलीवरी तो कब है? आपकी डिलीवरी तो आने वाली होगी. I said कि listen मेरी हो गई है ये डिलीवरी.
उसके बाद से वो तेरी दोस्त नहीं है.
उसके बाद से उसका big cross लग गया. Okay. So she should look at me right now then. So I said कि boss इसको तो संभालना पड़ेगा. So this इसको संभाल लूंगी तो वो अपने आप action speaks louder than words. So I have to show it to her. So I got hooked onto core, and I used to do abs. I mean, like, I was crazy in my gym in Delhi. I was known.
How many months of delivery you started?
4 months. I had a C-section.
Okay.
So doctor gave me a nod to start after 4 months. For 1 month, after 4 months, I did power yoga, and I gained a little bit of strength over there from that power yoga. And then I went back to my gymming. So I did my abs. I was very regular, very consistent in doing my abs.
And you still are.
Yes, I am still. And in my gym from Delhi days, people used to tease me. When I used to come, I said कि अच्छा आज abs का कौन सा circuit करना है आपने? आज भी abs. So you know, everybody used to tease me, but I was like कि इनको बोलने दो जो बोल रहे हैं. And then within an year, I went back to flat stomach, and till date I am.
Really very nice.
Renu, do you
Shabash.
also have the same story?
So yeah, post pregnancy, yes, that I also had a C-section, and always there's a problem in removing belly fat. So I also used to do a lot of core, but yes, after coming here and with Sonia, I had become more on core, and it really helped me. I got my abs back, and I love those abs. When people, I love to flaunt it, and people say, "Wow, how good abs you have." So yeah, that credit I'll give it to Sonia, because she is a abs queen, and she made me also abs queen.
I think you are like strength queen.
Yeah, so
Yes.
I do a lot of strength training. So I can pull up myself. I do a lot of
So
push-ups.
I get motivated when I saw her doing HIITs, so
Oh,
circuit
yeah.
training. So
Yeah.
this credit I'll give it to her
Yeah.
for pulling me towards that.
Listen, actually in life, I generally have a thing. I don't like to follow anybody. I do my own things. I don't follow any fashion trends or any food trends. I'll do my own things. But gym is one place where I want to follow somebody, because I usually get motivated and inspired by looking at people, and then kiss दिन भी I'll see somebody say, "Can I do this with you?" And then I'll just start, and then I give my best. But then if you leave it to me, maybe I'll not do that much.
Maybe you need a little push.
Yeah.
And then
The only thing I can do by myself is yoga.
yeah.
Yes.
Yoga you
That
do
is what I
very
do very well. So I shall
That's
give
so
you the
nice.
credit. Because of you, I started doing chakrasana, and I do very
Yes.
well now. And I do it every day.
Very
and
good.
now I have a perfect pose for chakrasana. So
Yeah.
that credit I'll give it to you.
Yes. And also the stretching after the
after
gym.
yoga, after the exercises.
So stretching, let's talk about that. What do you think, Girish? Stretching post-workout or pre-workout, or both times, pre and post-workout? What is mandatory?
So there are two types of stretching. One is kinetic and one is static.
Okay.
So kinetic stretching, it needs to be done before you start the run, because your body is in rest. So you need to wake up all your body parts so that they are there, especially if you're going for a run where the movement is very high as
Yeah.
compared to strength or something like that.
Yeah.
So when you go in the morning, you start with your kinetic stretching.
Okay.
So that if you don't do that, then what happens is that your muscle is at rest, your body was in no motion,
Yeah.
and suddenly they get a jerk, they might get injured. Once you finish your run or whatever activity you are doing, so the muscles, they need to be stretched, and if you stretch them well, then you won't feel the pain of them throughout the day, and the chances of injury will be very less.
Okay.
So this is one thing which needs to be done, but most people don't do. I was also one of them, and I used to really, running was a big thing, and then post and pre were not like very much in, but personally speaking, I have seen the benefits of it, and it's like very important to have them. Spare some time, maybe less. If you are short on time, then shorten your run a bit, but don't miss on your stretching.
Stretching. Oh, it's
Pre and
that
post,
important.
yeah.
Stretching
Yes.
is very important.
I've also realized
For
it.
every-
Yeah,
It is
it's
too
very important.
Otherwise, your body becomes stiff.
Yeah.
And the moment I think I have started doing stretching after long, means I used to run a lot, but I never used to do stretching. But now I'm consistent on that. I find lot of difference in my body.
Same.
The flexibility,
Yeah.
the agility remains same if you do stretching.
Minus the pains.
yeah,
which you
And
have.
it
Yeah, minus the
reduces
pains.
pain,
Yeah.
yes. So it is so important to do stretching.
Moreover, with running, your body becomes stiff because you use the same type of muscles, and in the same way they are being used.
Yeah.
So for that, you need to stretch.
Yeah. Renu, you are known to be the party queen wherever you go, and many different groups with whom you can party. Really, you have that kind of strength. But then, after a party or after a holiday, what is like when you're tired or maybe not in the mood for gym? How do you inspire yourself?
So there are two things which I always follow. When I go to the party, I drink, but I always ensure that if I drink one glass of whiskey or wine, whatever, I drink 2 or 3 glasses of water. That is consistency. I never get dehydrated. This is the most important thing. Generally, most of the people, what they do, they don't drink water. And if you want to stay fit,
One moment.
Yeah.
So don't you mix your whiskey with water?
that is there. That is there. But other than that, I take a pause.
She likes to have neat water.
Neat water also.
Yeah, neat
I
water.
always ensure that after every drink, I take at least 2-3 glasses of water. Then I go to the
Then
next
it's
one.
fine,
Because otherwise you get dehydrated. You feel dehydrated, and next day you get headache and all these things happen.
It's visible on your face. First,
Yes.
dehydration.
Yeah, it is. And then you are not within yourself. So you feel.
And I don't think you should exercise if you are dehydrated. You are
Yeah.
less on your sleep.
And less on sleep, yeah. After that, I may party at 8 till 8 or till 2 o'clock or 3. Then I sleep well, and then yes, I go to the. Maybe that day I may not be in the gym I don't hit the gym at 7:30, but I'd go at 10:30 at my with my normal pace. But it never happens that I don't do gym after. I always go because that's in my mind, that because I have already spoiled my the carbs I have taken so much and my energy has gone down, so I need to bring it back. So I ensure that next day I do. But yeah, after being hydrated and after a complete sleep.
So since we are talking about hydration, not only if you are drinking or partying, you should have water. I think water is an important part.
part.
I mean, you should have water throughout the day. Otherwise,
Yeah.
Anything special you do to take care of your skin?
I take a lot of water. I take less sweet, less salt, and then I eat right. And most importantly, you sleep. You take your
8
beauty.
hours
Your beauty sleep. You know,
8
your
hours
beauty
of
sleep.
8 hours of sleep is so important.
Guys, let's start with rapid fire.
Yes.
Try to be quick
Yes.
and interesting.
And honest.
Yeah, and honest, yes. Okay, Sonia, crunches or planks?
Plank.
Girish, burpees or jumping jacks?
Burpees.
With the burpees.
Renu, squats or deadlifts?
Squats.
Okay, Sonia, group fitness exercises or solo workout?
Solo workout. Group fitness, you get distracted.
Girish, sprint or long distance running?
Long distance run.
Okay, running on a treadmill or working out?
Open air.
I need
Open air.
You get more view.
Okay, Sonia, working on empty stomach or having a snack and then going to gym?
Empty stomach.
Empty stomach, nothing, eating nothing?
I just take my chia seeds and jeera water and almonds.
That's not empty stomach then.
Okay, if you say so. Snack means much more than that.
So, Girish, strict intermittent eating routine or eating healthy and eating last meal like timely? What do you follow?
So the first one. So I cannot have the last meal early. I come back late from office.
Okay.
So the last meal, I want to do that, but I am not able to do that.
So, you prefer intermittent eating?
I prefer it.
Okay. So, Renu, 1 hour extra sleep or 1 hour extra in the gym? On Sunday.
On Sunday, extra gym.
Because he has HIIT. to offer.
Point to be noted. Next time, if he doesn't.
Okay. Sonia, cardio or weight training?
Weight training.
Girish, if you are following a fitness regime and you're not allowed alcohol and still you have to go for a party and have a drink of something, what do you prefer and maximum what quantity?
So I would prefer water, as it looks like vodka.
Okay.
If I'm not allowed alcohol, I won't have it.
Okay. Fixed, intense gym routine, or you keep working on different patterns every week or every day?
No, it's, as I said, it's a plan. It's a fixed routine.
Okay, it's a
it
fixed
might not be a gym, but fixed routine.
Okay, okay. Sonia, smoothie or whole fruit? So Renu, who is the fittest celebrity around? Bollywood
You
or
can
anywhere
ask
around?
from the. You can say from the condo also, Renu. You know,
Why?
we
Why
need
would
to get more people.
I would like Hrithik. I like Hrithik Roshan.
Same to
Me
you.
too.
Hrithik Roshan?
Great.
Guys, he
No,
has-
John Ibrahim.
Okay.
He's quite
And you,
fit.
sir?
Hrithik Roshan.
Tiger Shroff is good, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so 3 tips each of you very quickly on a complete fitness, body and mind. Renu.
First, eat healthy. Drink a lot of water.
saying it all.
And day work. Every day one should work out. Something, do at least for half an hour you should give yourself and do some exercise.
Sonia.
Every action first begins in mind. So you have to first train your mind. I can do it and I will do it. That's it. A lot of water and just be happy and inspire people around. I think if you are among friends who are regular with their workouts, you will also become one of them.
So keep good company.
See, keep good company. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
Girish.
keep moving. Start with movement, then walk, then run, then everything. But keep moving. Just don't be there and don't have junk. That's the worst, like the junk. Don't have junk at all.
Yeah.
Maybe once a month.
Once
And
a
that
month.
to divide by 3.
Cover your ears.
Okay.
That is too much.
Okay. Okay, one bonus question. It just struck me, so I'm going to ask you. Like children, आज की generation के बच्चे तो हमें सबको पता है कि they are into pizzas and pastas and burgers. But at what time? Because my son is 11-year-old and he keeps telling me every day that I want to go to gym. But I tell him probably not now, wait for some more time. What is the right age to start gymming for kids? Or maybe running, because he's an athlete also, so he keeps running.
So see, what I would say is for gymming, yeah, he might be young, but for running, he's not young. Yeah. So running is less any day. Any other sports, outdoors. And this is the time.
This is the...
India especially needs
Yeah.
to people, young children should start young. And so that India can have more medals. I'll just tell you a short story. There was a book open on Andre Agassi. Before Andre Agassi was born, his father was sure that he's going to become the world's best tennis player. And before he was born. So his father made sure that he did everything for him, with him, maybe tough actions, maybe polite actions, whatever. And he became the world's best player in tennis.
Wow.
So parents definitely have a very big role to play. Very big role to play.
That's very important, and I think that's a great closing for us, because yes, our children need to learn. हमारे जनरेशन के लोगों को तो हमेशा से होता ही था, but आज के बच्चे they are on tablets and all of this, it is too much exposure for them.
One more small
Being
thing
fit.
I would like to add is that I don't know about you guys, but I started a bit late.
Okay.
And at our age, we are doing very good. But if we would have started earlier and our parents would have given this direction to us,
Yeah.
I think you never know what potentials we were having,
Yeah, absolutely.
which we can do for our
Yeah.
kids.
Absolutely. Guys, thank you very much.
Thanks a
I
lot.
would say that
Thanks a lot.
thank you for being my gym buddies, and not only me, but many other people in this condo. I think we bring that culture here. And
That's so lovely.
I mean, going to making those events possible, running and doing cardios and doing HIIT, it just keeps people very happy. Once they go back home after the workout and after the dance, they go and show off to 10 people. Not only show off, I mean happily show off that yes,
Inspire.
Inspire.
It's
Yeah.
like a big tick in the day.
Yeah.
And they inspire. a lot
So
of
keep
people.
inspiring, keep
Right.
being happy. That's most important. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
very
Bye.
much.
And coffee मत तो रखना चाहिए साइन करके श्रुति
So guys, that's all for today. Stay tuned, stay happy and stay active. Thank you very much for watching. You know the drill. If you like this episode, click on like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Today's episode of Homely Affair is shot at Renu's beautiful home at Pioneer Araya. Let's have some glimpses of a modern yet very elegant home.